This is my new baby. Good afternoon, guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, my loves. Mwah. I'm very, very tired, and I just came back from a morning shift. I'm so tired, and I'm about to cook lunch and eat lunch, take my bath and sleep. I need a very long nap, guys. I'm so weak, I'm so tired, and so my heels from standing up. I don't even want to complain to you guys, but that's what we're going to be doing now. And yeah, I'll see you later. No, let's cook actually. I'll take my bath and start cooking. Hi, my loves. Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday. This is afternoon. So I just got back from a shift, from my morning shift. I'm about to wash the dishes I used to eat and rest. So today was actually nice, and yeah. So I just came to say hi today, and I have clothes to wash, but I'm going to wash that tomorrow because I have afternoon shift tomorrow, so I have enough time in the morning to actually do whatever I want. You get? So yeah, let's do that. It's Thursday, and I just woke up as you just saw and did a little bit of chores. So I have an afternoon shift today, so I won't be going till noon. But yeah, this week, let's recap on this week. This week have been so stressful. I know the vlog, the vlog won't be as organized. No, it's going to actually be organized, but like it's not going to be like my other vlogs because obviously I'm actually working and I can't be vlogging in the hospital. You get? So it's mostly when I'm back home and I don't have an off until next week. So that is going to be what's going to be going on throughout this week vlog. I'm expecting something today. I'm so excited about it. Like it's something, one of the things I've, I've always been talking about, that we're bringing to the apartment. So I'm excited about that. And like I said, I'm excited about so many things. I'm just grateful to God for everything that actually been happening. And I wanted to say hi to you guys and you come with me. I finished cleaning now. I just want to um create content with the outfit that I actually sewed, and the full vlog of like the cutting process and the sewing is going to be out on the channel probably this next week. Yeah, middle of next week, any of the days. I will let you guys know before it comes out. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm just going to create a little bit, just maybe like 2 to 3 videos for short form. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And this is my scrub, my scrub for work. Yeah, so I'm already like ready. I just need to press it, iron it, and keep it there so that when it's time I'll just have to like shower and start going to work. So yeah, that's what we're doing for today, and hope you guys are okay. Hope everybody's fine, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. I think today is actually going to this Thursday because I'm working afternoon today and tomorrow. These 2 days are going to be the actual days I actually come on the vlog, like, because the rest days is usually morning, and when I work in the morning and I usually come back very very tired, so I sleep, and before you know it's already night and I can't vlog again. So these 2 days are going to be the only days that I'm going to actually talk, apart from next week. And I've actually been working out off camera, and my stomach. Okay, just let me press the clothes first. Hello, I just got back from my afternoon shift. Afternoon shift ends by 7. So yeah, so Miro is here. This is my new baby. My new baby. So I don't know which direction I should place it. I don't know what, please. I need suggestion for you. I really need suggestion. I don't know, should I put this rack this way, like turn this rack this way so the mirror will be here? But I actually want the mirror to be here. I don't want my mirror to be facing the bed. So like this one, because I want the round mirror, the circular mirror that was here, to be close to my door, like the entrance, you get. So I just need to change the position of this. I feel like if I turn this way, then the mirror can be shifted a little bit from the bed. I don't know if you get. So yeah. So I'm about to change my clothes, shower, fold my clothes. My clothes has finally dried after how many hours? So I'm about to fold my clothes and shower, then eat and watch movie because I have the whole night to rest. And tomorrow I still have afternoon shift tomorrow. So yeah, and today is already Thursday. God, I hope my vlog is enough to be able to complete my vlog for the week. So let's do that. I'm so happy for my mirror. Now our outfit pictures is about to eat. for real. Like I'm so happy. Like I can't just wait. You know, you know, you know. Mm. Okay, bye. Should I put it this way or angle? I want to like move this thing.